kids, today I'm going to teach you how to draw an Adopt Me Otter. Okay, so let's start. First, let's draw the eyes. Okay, one eye here. Okay, there. Another eye. Okay, there. And another one. Wait, let's make it a little tough. Sorry. Okay, now let's make the other eye. Okay, make it a little bigger. There. Okay, now let's color it in. Okay, let's draw a nose. One little nose right here, almost under the other eye here. Okay, now let's make an oval. Okay, or better yet, a circle. Okay, there. Now let's color the head round with brown color. I don't have dark brown like the otter, but you can just use different color browns, even if you don't have the dark brown. And then if you don't have the dark brown color. Oh, so funny. Okay. Let's make it shorter by just doing this. Okay, let's make it shorter by just doing this. Let's draw the body so it can be shorter. There. Okay, so it won't be seen good. Okay, let's color the head and the body. Oh, I'm almost ran out. Usually it's like a brush. Okay, now let's make the legs. I mean feet. Okay, time for the feet. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now let's color it brown again. Okay, let's make some a half circle. Okay, one half circle here, another half circle here, and the last here. Okay, good. Now let's color them brown. Okay, now let's make the tail. Last. Okay, now we're done making the otter. You can also name the otter if you want. You can also name the Adopt Me Otter that you drawn. Okay, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you like this video and give a thumbs up if you like it. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!
Thank you.